Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video I'm going to show you a really interesting way to make some great money online, and absolutely anyone can do this method and make a ton of money online utilizing Clickbank. This is one of the easiest strategy and you can take action on this strategy from today just after watching this video. So this is something which is really very easy and very simple, and most of the people of you will be able to do it and will be able to make some awesome sweet money, because I know everyone loves to make some sweet money, and that's the reason why I'm making these videos to teach you how to make money online in 2020. So now let's get started into the video. Let me reveal to you the entire strategy of how you can make this awesome money utilizing Clickbank. Okay, so now let me minimize myself and let's go to the strategy. So this is my YouTube channel. You can press the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now first of all you need to do is go to clickbank.com. okay, so we are here on clickbank.com marketplace. If you haven't got a Clickbank account, I highly recommend just go to Clickbank, sign up for it. Okay, so Clickbank is really great marketplace and it accepts people from almost all the countries of the world. So you just have to go to this, okay, and just sign up. Okay, so once you have got to your Clickbank account, all you need to do is go to this marketplace. Okay, and you need to go to health and fitness category. Okay, once you go to health and fitness category, let me show you a really awesome product. Okay, so once you go to health and fitness category, you need to go over here to okay, so you just need to go to over here, diets and weight loss. Okay, once you click on that, okay, once you click on that, you will find this awesome product, and you can see always eat after 7 p.m. absolutely free ebook is available over here. Okay, so all you need to do is use this free ebook. Okay, so you are gonna use this free ebook and I'm gonna show you how you are gonna get commissions just by giving away this free ebooks to people, because you can see that just pay shipping. Okay, so the people will think that this is a free ebook, but the thing is that they need to pay for the shipping of this book, and from that's the player, and from that you are gonna make $10 per sale. Okay, so you just have to give this ebook for free, and if this and people, if they want this ebook to be shipped at their home, they have to pay $10.25 as a shipping charge. Okay, and that's a commission which you are gonna make when you start promoting this awesome affiliate offer. Okay, so this is something which you have to understand. Okay, so you have got this book, and now all you need to do is create very simple content. How you are gonna create that content is something which I'm gonna show you, so just keep watching this video. So you just have to need to go to this website which is really known as, and which you are familiar with, which is known as Instagram. All you need to do is go to Instagram, search for a weight loss transformation page, or you can find many. All you need to do is type in weight loss transformation and you can find all this type of awesome images. Okay, this one, and we are gonna utilize those images and we are gonna make money using this very simple images. So you need to download those images. How you are gonna download those images? All you need to do is click on this image, copy the link of this image, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Once you have copied this image, all you need to do is go to a particular website which is known as gramsave.com. okay, so once you go to gramsave.com, all you need to do is paste the URL over here and press the enter button. And once you press the enter button, the download link of that particular image for you is available. You can just press the download button and download this image. Okay, so I have already downloaded this image. Okay, now the first thing has been done. All you need to do is download 10 to 15 images just like this of weight loss transformations. Okay, you can find a ton of them on Instagram. So the first step is to download 10 to 15 of this type of images. The second step is that you need to find some copyright free music which you will find on YouTube audio library. Okay, so as we are gonna create a video out of this, so we just need some of the copyright free music. Okay, so you just go to this website, YouTube audio library, search it in the Google, and you can find all this which you can download absolutely free. Just click on the download button and you can download this copyright free music videos. Okay, so once you have downloaded this images as well as copyright free music, Okay, the two steps are covered. Now what you need is a video editor. Okay, so you just need to go to a website which is known as openshot.org, and you can just download this OpenShot video editor from there absolutely for free. It's a professional video editor in which you can edit your videos absolutely for free without spending a dime. It's an open source software, so you just need to use that software, or you can use any of the software of your own preference. It depends on you. Okay, so once you have did it, so I have already downloaded this images, okay, and I have already downloaded this copyright free music. So what I did was I just dragged this images into the timeline, the first image, the second image, and vice versa. You just have to put 10 to 15 images over here, and then you just have to add this copyright free music on this. Okay, and then your video will be almost ready. You can see that. See, the video is ready. Okay, now all you need to do is click on this magical red button which you can see over here, and once you click on that, you just have to then give a name. Now you just have to give a name to your project. Then you just need to select where you are going to save your project. Let everything be just like this. Just select 1080p over here. Just select this 30 frames per second, 1080p 1920 by 1080. Okay, so that's simple. Okay, so you just need to select this, and all you need to do is click on export video. And once your video is exported, you can just then make a new YouTube channel and start uploading those videos to your YouTube channel. But the serious thing about the strategy is that if you are gonna take action on the strategy, the thing is that you just have to put in some work. You just have to upload more than 20 videos to your YouTube channel and provide the affiliate link of this particular product and the description. Okay, so you just have to provide this particular product's link in the description. That's really, which is very important. And after you have provided the link in the description of this particular product, you are gonna make a ton of money out of it, and that's really awesome. Okay, most of the people are making a ton of money just by doing this very simple stuff, just by making compilation videos of this before and after weight loss transformation images. And today I have in this video shown you how you can make that type of videos, and in the description you can promote this type of very simple products, or this type of, there are a lot of other weight loss products available on Clickbank. You can also promote those products. Okay, it depends on you which products you want to promote. And just with this strategy, you can make a ton of money. You don't need to monetize your channel with the AdSense if it has some issues, but this type of channel can make you a ton of money because there is no need to monetize it with AdSense. And but still, you can make a ton of money with this type of YouTube channel just by doing affiliate marketing. And that's something which is really awesome about YouTube, because most of the people say that YouTube is a gold mine for making money, and that's the truth about YouTube, that you can make a ton of money. But still, instead of providing this much value, not many people are subscribing to my YouTube channel. I don't know why, but still I will be making this type of awesome content for you absolutely for free without promoting any of the courses to you. Or if I promote some of the products, it will be the products which I am personally using. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.